Falcons, and welcome to the Bridge. Today is Tuesday, May 2nd, 2023.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Kendleton, it will be partly cloudy with a high of 81 and a low of 56.
Getting warmer. Today's lunch options are pizza sticks or Parmesan flatbread.
Yeah. But you didn't know, MySpace still gets more than 8 million visitors per month.
What?
It's just crazy. Do not believe it.
Today in history, in 1919, the first U.S. air passenger service starts.
Wow.
That's
crazy.
That's crazy.
That's awesome. Now here's Everett for So Cute I Can't. What up, man?
Lenny, a 1-year-old central bearded dragon, can be seen with tiny pots of soup, miniature biscuits, and dinky cheeses in his debut book. Chef Lenny, Cooking for Humans. The cookbook was the brainchild of Lenny's owner, Valerie Musser, a chef and lizard lover from Redmond in Washington State. All the miniature food in the book is real, and the dishes are Valerie's favorite comfort foods that she serves to her family, with chicken pot pie, blueberry muffins, and home-cooked tacos all featuring.
Wow, that's crazy.
Weird but true. If Earth were the size of a basketball, the moon would be the size of a tennis ball.
That is so
tiny.
So tiny. Now for the show today. Hey Evan, what do you call a hen who counts her eggs?
I don't know. What?
A Mathema chicken.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Evan.
I'm Archer.
That's Larry, and that's Fiona.
Until next time, fly high, Falcons.